Extreme Makeover Culmore Edition. Coming in hot with a brand new look, this renovated 3-bedroom East Credit property will not go unnoticed. I'm Corrie Keys, and I'm really excited to bring to you our newest listing at 6313 Culmore Crescent. Let's go take a look around because you don't want to miss this one. Open spaces, hardwood floors, smooth ceilings, and everything in between. This home has a custom design that will give you all the feels. The open concept floor plan is functional and offers must-have features such as wall-to-wall, floor-to-ceiling built-ins, pot lights, granite, and a kitchen to be proud of. The chefs as a family will be delighted with a wrap-around quartz countertop, rich cabinets, a breakfast bar with seating for 3, and stainless steel appliances. Head upstairs and there are 3 spacious bedrooms and a primary suite that evokes a sense of calm and retreat. Want more space? We've got that too. Downstairs, the lower level is a universal space. Use it for storage, a nanny suite, or gym. Finish with a separate entrance, heated slate floors, a bedroom, and a bathroom. The choice is yours. Unbeatable location in one of the best pockets of East Credit, known for its tree-lined streets, accessibility to transit, and all the conveniences you'll ever need. For more information or to book your private tour, call or text me at 416-833-5516.